All right, excited for this one. Today, food. This morning's guest comes from one of the hottest restaurants on Long Island. Robke is known for treating every guest that walk in there just like family, with dishes that keep them coming back for more. We got Selvaggio Jr. here. He's going to share one of Robke's most legendary dishes. It's a beautiful pork chop. Let's get right into it, man. You're right down the street from me. You're not far, so I'm going to bring the family.
We're waiting for you.
Long Island, man, they talk about Robke's. They talk about this pork chop. But you know, in the late 80s, my mom would make pork chops. Pork chops have made a big comeback recently. She would make it where you had to cook it to 170. You know, it was like gray. It had onions on it. This is the new world of pork chop. Tell me about it.
The new world of pork chops. Well, what we try to do is we try to eliminate some of that margin of error. Pork chops, if they're too thick, you can overcook them, you can undercook them. So we're going to put this to work.
Yep. And this is just to pound it out a little bit. We're going to pound this thin.
The reason why we're pounding this thin, we want this to cook evenly throughout. We sell a lot of these pork chops. We want every single one to be consistent. We want them all to taste the same. So when we're done with that,
that's what it looks like.
This is what it looks like.
All right, great.
Now, it's like being in second grade with your mom making chicken cutlets, veal cutlets, flour, egg, and breadcrumb.
And this is the order.
You only want to use one hand for the flour and the egg. That's going to get messy. Your right hand's going to get messy.
All right, no problem.
Flour.
Yeah.
Egg wash.
Yeah.
Put it in the breadcrumb.
Yeah.
I got this.
Is
now
this
you're
like
going to use. This is a panko breadcrumb.
Yeah.
And this is the product we're going to end up with. A nice pork chop, pounded thin, panko breaded,
beautiful,
ready for the frying pan.
With that being so thin, I would imagine the cook time's not much.
2-3 minutes on each side.
All right, is this big at Robke's? Is this
Everybody orders this.
Yeah.
Nobody looks at the menu.
That's the thing.
They sit down. I could tell them the best specials in the world. I want the pork chop martini.
Okay, perfect.
You ready for the frying pan?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
You got some hot oil down there?
Got some hot oil in the frying pan. We want to put this away from us.
Yeah.
So we don't burn ourselves, okay?
Beautiful.
You hear that sizzle, that snap, crackle, pop?
Yeah.
That's the sound we want.
I love that.
That's the sound we want.
Guys, are you eating the martini?
So almost finished.
How is it?
I would never order anything else. So good.
Welcome to Robke's.
I'm upset about is they cut the bone
We're gonna
off
put
my
one
pork
clove of
chop.
garlic in the oil just for flavor.
So good.
Anytime we fry anything in the frying pan, we put one clove of garlic just for flavor. Chicken cutlets, veal cutlets, eggplant, just to flavor the oil. We take the garlic out when it gets brown.
So if I'm at the market and I'm watching this, I want to make this thing tonight.
Yeah.
And you go get a pork chop. Will the butcher pound it for you?
Yes.
And
Ask
then
him
he'll
to
give
trim
it to you
it.
so it looks just like this.
Trim it, pound it thin. Let him do all the work.
So all you're doing is the dredging and the cooking, and you're done. I mean, anybody can do this.
That's it. We're going to make a simple sauce in the frying pan.
What's the sauce?
We're going to let that cook.
Sauce is fantastic, chef.
All right, what do you got here?
All right, so we're going to take our pork chop, right?
Yeah.
After we cook it in that, we're going to drain that oil that we cooked the pork chop in.
Yep.
Okay? We're going to take our chop, we're going to place it back in the pan. We're going to start all over, okay?
All right.
Cherry peppers first.
Cherry peppers for on top or just in the
right,
pan?
anywhere you want.
All right.
And all the
You like spicy?
Yeah, I like
So we're
spicy.
going to use hot cherry peppers. You don't like spicy, you could use sweet cherry peppers. If you don't like peppers, don't put peppers at all. Doesn't matter. All right, now we're going to make the base of our sauce. The base of our sauce is going to be chicken stock or chicken broth.
Yep.
You could use vegetable broth. Now we're going to make that sweet and sour, tangy lemon sauce that Robke's is known for. Fresh lemon juice.
Love that.
No shortcuts. You got to squeeze fresh lemon. Red wine vinegar. That's what gives it that punch, that red wine vinegar.
Yep.
That
So good.
punches you in the face.
Oh,
a little butter to thicken this up.
gotta have butter.
And then you just let this cook.
You're going to let this reduce. You're going to get this reduce and get nice and thick.
But essentially, you're done. You're not putting that back in the oven or
No,
anything like that.
well,
You're gonna bake it
I'm
off
gonna show
at
you.
the end?
I'm going to show you the grand finale.
Okay. Grand finale.
We got to get to the grand finale.
Let's do it.
All right. Well, once this gets nice and thick, okay, what we're going to do at the end, the grand finale, is we're going to take our Parmigiano Reggiano and we're going to coat the top of this.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
You guys like cheese?
Yes.
I love cheese.
Yeah.
Look at
You
this.
guys like cheese?
Come on.
So we're going to put more
Crowd goes
cheese.
wild for cheese.
Look at Louis Sell working the crowd, baby.
Louis,
You gotta love
crushing
that.
it.
No wonder he's opening up all the hot spots on Long Island.
Yes.
All right. So essentially, what we do to make this look like that is we finish this in the oven and then
right.
under the broiler, and it gives it that nice
Gives
crust.
it that nice thing.
So delicious.
We want to mention you can make, look how beautiful the finished product
delicious.
is. Louis Sell. If you're heading
PCM.
out to Long Island, check out Robke's. Also, he's got a new restaurant called Birdie Bar. They're both in Northport, right down the street. You can't go wrong with that. So, Robke's pork chop martini. That recipe is at today.com/food. Thank you, Chef. We're back with the third and fourth hours after your local.
Chef, well done.
Appreciate you, brother.